Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a mouse. Let's start the outline and make the drawing really nice. So for any kind of drawing, you have to observe and understand the basic shapes of the animal. So as you know, the mouse, it has a particular shape. If you follow the rules of the drawing of that shape, then you can draw any animals or any birds or any drawing as you like. So as I'm drawing right now, this is the front leg, this is a leg on the other side. Okay, and the body you can see here, and there's a lots of feathers and segment for the rear leg. We can connect it through this point, and I'm going to draw the bigger leg here. All right, and you can see the tail of the mouse here. All right, now we can put the depth of shades with the bigger pencil to show the body figures and make the drawing a live one. The variations in shades, the lightness and the darkness make the drawing really nice. So you can see the whole drawing process. I'm just putting the uniform color tracks for the little animal here. The bottom of the mouse is really dark, as you know. And you can see the tail. Alright, now we're going to use the other types of pencil to complete the drawing in a nice way. We're going to make the periphery, the uniform color, fill up the vacant places with a still little white. Alright, you can see the legs here. Front legs I've just drawn, and now I'm going to draw the rear leg. Also, this is the tail, you can see. The mouse is very crazy animal. It can run very fast. It just cut anything like plastic, foods, rubber, anything. It's try to cut. That's why it's very problem if you have the problem of mouse in your house. All right, let's put it on the ground. We can put some colors like this with the crayon, and the mouse is looks like it's on the ground. Okay, so you can see the basic outline and the drawing is done. The mouse looks nice. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icons on. You can choose the playlist. You can go to the playlist of this channel and make your own selection. Different types of drawings are provided there in different categories, so this is going to be easier for you to learn the drawing, selecting your own category, which category you like to draw, and it becomes your interest. Follow the interest and the passion, and you can make a good drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.